This is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a floral design that's supposed to be like a plumeria, and I'm only going to be using 5 different paints. Well, actually 6, because I combined yellow ochre and bumblebee together to create this color. The wicker white, the brown that I'm using is real brown, hunter green, and lime green. I will list the supplies down below the video, but let's go ahead and get started. I am using a number 16 one-stroke brush, and I'm going to dip one side into the yellow paint, one side into the white, and then just do some blending strokes. Proper blending would be to have the paint 3/4 of the way up the bristles, for one stroke I should say. Alright, so I'm just doing a quick little swipe of the paint to blend it. And then with this stroke, you're just going to line it up, push down, press, and bring up. And then do the same here. You can do some blending strokes if you want. Just bring it up, and bring it up. I'll do a few. Come around here, bring it up, push it down, bring it back up on the chisel edge. Do the same thing here. To the center. I'll do another one up here. And I mean, if you want to do like a bud, you can create a bud. I like making turning the brush around a little bit to show like a different color so you can see it better. Or you can just do it like this with the same colors and just go like that. Again, however you want to do it. You even have the bud coming out this direction. This. And then I'm going to do the 25mm, I can get it apart, nail brush. It's kind of hard to see here, but nail brush. And stick it into the greens. I just stick it in, kind of roll it around, stick it in, roll it around. And then I'll just come up here, oops, sorry, hit the camera there, or the stand, and put my little pieces around here. I'm sorry you're hearing my air conditioning. If you're new to my channel, know that my designs are intended to be very simple, and this is just to give people the opportunity to paint something that is not intimidating, hopefully not, and gets them started into something that I just feel like painting is just very calming helps get people started. And you can do, kind of put your little stems in if you want. You can also do that with the chisel edge of your brush. You don't have to use a fine liner because it just makes a very fine line, of course. And go about your business here. Yep. And again, we can come out, just kind of show it a little bit. This direction. All right, and then I'm going to take the other fine liner, which is a 20mm, also nail brush, and go into the brown, the real brown. Stick it in there, and then I'm just going to come through here and do just some little dots. And if you want more precise dots, you can use a dotting stylus if you want. Then I'm going to stick it into the white. Stick it in. Add some more. It's not, for me, it's not meant to be like really neat. It's just meant to fill it in. You can keep working on the centers as much as you want or as little, doesn't matter, up to you. And then I'm going to take the number 16, or no, I'm sorry, the number 12 brush, and dip one side into the hunter green, one side into the lime green, and do the same blending strokes. You can blend back and forth. And then just do little leaves like up, down, back. And you can do some of these using the lighter green on the outside. They don't have to all be with the lighter green on that. You can either plan it to where you do the different directions of the paint colors depending on how the sun's hitting it, or pretend that the sun's hitting it, or just swing it. However you want to do it, it's up to you. I just kind of like to randomly do it. And then if you want to, go back in with the same brush, and I'm just putting it into the lime green. So basically I didn't clean the brush, I'm just putting it into the lime green, and I'm going to come in here and do just some basic little one stroke leaves. If you were doing this on paper, you could actually do these as like ghosts, because they're just real light paint wise. There's not a lot of paint on the brush. And if you're new to my channel, know that I love these. Oops, I did that wrong. Wrong kind of leaf. There you have it. I'm going to go back in with my liner brush and then add some stems to all these crazy leaves. Just try to make sure you get all the leaves connected. If you forget one, it's probably not a big deal. Chances are somebody will point it out to you. Oh, I think I went the wrong way on that one. It's supposed to come down like that. Alright. And any other designs you want to put, if you want to put some dots in it, you know, just a dot around, you could do that. I just use the tip of your paintbrush, or not the tip, but the bottom of the paintbrush itself. And this can be kind of fun to add. Or even use another color, one that you didn't even use in your design, as a complementary color. As I said, just looking at this, then the little dots just kind of give it a little bit more interest, a little bit more detail. Not a big deal. Use them, leave them in, don't leave them in. That's up to you. However you want to. It's your design, make it yours. But there you go. In the background of this video, I am doing a light sound bath for you. Sit back and enjoy. And feel free to give this a try. If you do, I'd love to see pictures. Please post them down below the video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. And make sure you also share this with your family and friends. I would appreciate it. Any questions, again, just post those down below. I will put the details of the supplies used within the video and below the video as well. Until the next time, thanks so much for stopping by, and you have a good one. See you then.